In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reschedule a meeting on Calendly. By the end, you'll be able to move an existing meeting to a new date and time without losing any details or confusing your attendees. Start by opening Calendly and signing in. From the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation and choose Meetings. This page organizes your upcoming and past events, so it's the fastest way to locate the booking you want to move. Scroll or use search if needed, then open the meeting's details. The details view gives you the full picture at a glance: who's attending, the current date and time, and any notes already attached to the booking. Take a second to confirm you're on the right event before you make changes. Next, select Reschedule. Calendly will ask how you want to handle the change. You'll see two options: share new times to meet, which lets your invitee choose from options you propose, or reschedule the meeting now, where you pick the new slot immediately. For this walkthrough, we'll proceed with rescheduling now. Keep the share times option in mind when you need flexibility from a guest or when multiple people must coordinate. With the reschedule flow open, select the new date on the calendar. Double-check the time zone shown at the top. This is crucial if participants are in different regions. Then choose a time that works. If a time you expect isn't available, review your availability and event duration for this event type. Buffers, minimum notice, or existing holds can hide certain slots. Adjusting those settings later can surface more options, but for now, choose an open time that fits. Click Next to continue to the confirmation form. Enter your email so Calendly records who made the change, and add any additional guests' emails so everyone stays in the loop. In reason for change, provide a brief, clear note, something like accommodating a conflict or aligning with a project update. Use the additional message area to share helpful context, relevant links, or a short agenda so attendees arrive prepared. When everything looks correct, click Update Event. Calendly will update the booking, notify all attendees, and automatically adjust connected calendar invites. Take a quick moment to review the confirmation screen and check your inbox to ensure the new time appears correctly for you and your guests. If anything looks off, especially around time zones, return to the event and repeat the process to fine-tune the timing. And that's it. Your meeting is rescheduled and everyone has the right information moving forward.